Hi, welcome back on the Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to enable Don't Disturb mode in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings here, go down, go to sound and vibration option, and go down and search for the Don't Disturb mode. You can enable it, and of course you can easily personalization this option for you. It can be shielded, allow that notification when you're in disturb mode, allow message from, allow call from, and many more, like ring or for repeat calls. Of course, let's see if we have some shortcuts on the app here to don't disturb mode. If not, we can check it. If we have, we have here don't disturb mode. You can add it to your shortcuts here, and you can personalization by hitting to disable it and hitting to enable it. For now we're gonna disable it, and that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.